Hurricane Melissa has set her sights on Jamaica, and we have the latest information as of Saturday night at 5 p.m. at the time of this recording. It is beginning its westward movement towards the island nation of Jamaica. It will continue in that direction for the next 24 to 48 hours, and it will undergo a period of rapid intensification before it begins to make that turn to the north and impact the island sometime on Monday or early Tuesday morning. Let's dive right into the latest. Here's our satellite imagery. There's Jamaica, and here's the southwest peninsula of Haiti. We watch here as we get to the afternoon on our Saturday. Melissa is beginning to develop that signature eye wall. The map's going to jump here a little bit as it repositions itself, but here in these last few frames we start to see that eye wall starting to form. Aircraft reconnaissance has noticed an eye wall of about 20 nautical miles wide, and so we are beginning to see that rapid intensification for Melissa. The latest advisory as of 5 p.m. shows that Melissa is moving to the west at 3 miles per hour. Sustained winds are now up to 90 miles an hour, which makes it a strong Category 1. And by the time we get to Sunday morning, it could be a major hurricane. And then sometime on Monday, it will make that turn to the north and impact Jamaica sometime Monday night or early Tuesday morning as a major hurricane. Hurricane watches have now also been issued for the eastern part of Cuba, as they are now in the sights of Melissa as she continues to move to the north and east on our day Tuesday into Wednesday. In terms of our intensity, this is where we are at 5 p.m. By tomorrow morning, most models have Hurricane Melissa at a Category 2 or a low Category 3, but rapidly intensifying to a Category 3 by the time we get to our Sunday evening. Some models now want to take it up to a Cat 4, even a Cat 5 by the time we get to Monday afternoon into Monday evening, but then rapidly deteriorated as it goes over Jamaica and Cuba before exiting into the southwest Atlantic. This is our HAFS-A model showing Melissa continuing that westward momentum at a 960, 950 millibar low, and it is as we get towards Monday that it starts to then make that turn towards the northwest, and by Tuesday morning, early in the morning, around 2 a.m., 3 a.m., we could see Melissa making landfall on the island of Jamaica. This is the H-Wharf model, very similar in its track as it begins to make that westward turn, but it wants to bring Melissa into Jamaica a lot sooner, by Sunday evening, early Monday morning. That's a difference of about 24 hours, so we're going to have to continue to watch the track and direction of Melissa to determine what the timing and the impacts of where it will make its landfall. Here's our estimate of the wind models. Up in the upper right-hand corner shows the sea level pressure and the wind speeds. Look, as we go into our day on our Sunday into Monday, winds are approaching 100 knots, 120 knots, even as we get to 140 knots as we get to Monday. But then as it moves towards the north, and this is the HAFS-A model, we expect landfall with winds as a Category 3 or low Category 4. In fact, the HAFS-A model shows that at the time of landfall, again, around 4 a.m. on Tuesday, that winds could be nearing 130 knots. So this is a very dangerous situation, and we're going to continue to monitor this over the next several days, and we'll bring you the latest information as we have it available. For the full video that we posted on Saturday morning, which goes into detail about the dynamics behind Hurricane Melissa, click in the comment section, and you'll be taken to that video. We will have our next full-length video available early Sunday morning. Stay safe.